Welcome, today I am in Fiat 500 and I will show you how you can change date and the time settings. So the first we have to go for our touchscreen and go for the settings. Next we have to go below, where we will be able to find time and the date settings. As you can see, here we can set the time hours and minutes by tapping on the plus and the minus, just like that. Here we can also change the time format, so we get 24 hours or 12 hours, so we can decide. And also when we go below, we can show time at the status bar. Of course it's enabled, but to turn it off you have to tap on the switcher. And here we can also set date like that. So we can say date, day, month and the year. To go back, just click here. And as you can see, that's how you can set it up manually. You can also synchronize with GPS time. So, if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.